How to create transparent text effect in Canva. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my canvas. So let me take one blank canvas. So I take just presentations, and this is my blank canvas. So I need to add one text here. So I just add text. Okay, you can increase the size like this. Okay, and okay, so now select that image and come to the color and hit the white color. Now go to the effects and give the this style. You can increase the intensity what you want, just increase the intensity, or you can add more text like this to increase the that shadow effects more. Then you can group it and move. Now you can increase the size like this. Okay, now go to the share button, see all, and hit the copy to clipboard. Now delete this and paste here that clipboard. So this is now we have the image. We don't have any graphics. This is now clear image. Okay, now insert the background image which you want. You can upload your own image from here. Go to the upload and upload the image, or you can find image in Canva like. Okay, so we have some images here, so I just choose this one. So keep on the same ratio. You can check the ratio here. Okay, 978,550, 978. Okay, 758,505. Okay, so just keep the same ratio as. Okay, now here go to the app, and under the app search for blend image. So here you can choose that images here. For top layer you need to choose this image. Sorry, use this image, and bottom layer you need to choose this image. Okay, let me. Bottom layer you need to choose this, and top you need to choose this. Okay, we have choose. Now okay, now go to the add design. Okay, let me delete. Okay, so we have missed this. Choose blend mode, which is multiply, and now this is the view. You can make the fit in or scratch whatever you want. Top placement, this is scale. Okay, you can increase decrease, but we have only by default one. This is horizontal offset, vertical you can change. You can also rotate that text. Okay, now go to the add design. Now this design has been added. Now you can delete your old images, and you can resize this original image. Okay, so this is now we have got that transparent text effect. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thanks for watching.